We have some juicy information to talk about, as you see from the title, so I don't want to waste your time and we jump straight onto the laptop. First thing first, I did open a new Ethereum long over on GRVT, as you're able to go and see over here, as well as an Ethereum long, Solana, and Bitcoin long yesterday. So Ethereum is already in profit, the other one are slowly catching up. No financial advisor whatsoever. I did open this position. I think we will see 2,800, 2,900 Ethereum and Bitcoin around the 114,000. So if you want to come and trade, GRVT will have an airdrop soon, so you can join them for an airdrop. If you want an established exchange, then ZoomX is your way to go, and I do trade. One important thing about ZoomX as well, it is no KYC exchange. GRVT over here, it's a KYC exchange. ZoomX is no KYC, so anybody can trade, anybody can take part of it, you don't have any risk, and this is the sister exchange to Bybit, which means the liquidity that Bybit has on their token pairs, ZoomX has the same. It's just Bybit without a KYC. Next up, talking about GRVT, they already released a Android app today, so this is great news. Nice to go and see them raising their app. So now you can also trade on the go on mobile, which is something really nice to go and do. Next up, talking about Eclipse, it has been announced. As we see here, next up is the ES token. The Eclipse checker, the Eclipse airdrop will come soon. The ASC was the brand luxury, has been released. The Ethereum yield bearing ETH bits, which is mined for a community, no allocation to nobody, just mine token. And now they also have released the TUSD, which is the stablecoin of the Eclipse ecosystem. Next up, ES. So this is the Eclipse official token. Potentially, we could be seeing it around June or July, potentially before the end of the summer. And what is nice about it is that the whole community loves it. There is no one person, hates the community. Absolutely. You go through the comments, there is not a bearish comment, aside possibly from some KOLs that have not been paid for promotion back in the days, so they are a little bit upset. Other than that, the community is super happy. I participate on the Eclipse ecosystem, as you know, and as we see here, next up, our rewards will be, checker, airdrop, and all of that will come soon. Also, we got the first airdrop for the Farcaster Pro 10K NFT holders, introducing the procoin, the community-led governance token for Farcaster's Pro users. All 10,000 NFT holders are eligible for this airdrop. You can go and claim at this page over here if you have the possibility to go and claim it. I didn't participate. The top 75 holders will be named procoin sellers. Current fully deal-weighted value is only $3 million. If this gains traction, it could take off. So it is a little bit of a hidden gem airdrop, for so to say, but let's go and see. Nonetheless, let me know if you are eligible for this in the comments below. Following up, we have the MetaMask update that I do want to bring you to it. Now, the MetaMask co-founder, as we see over here, they just hint at the Mask airdrop, and we can go and look at this together. This is the interview.
Is it ever going to happen? Maybe.
And already there we are hinting at the airdrop. So the founder of MetaMask, the boss over here, got asked if an airdrop.
And in 2022, there were mentions of MetaMask potential token, like Joe Lubin talked about it. Is it ever going to happen?
So it could be something coming soon. And he also does explain. So this is, you can go and read this interview or listen to this interview. I will leave a link down below. It was from the blog. And as we see over here,
you'll be able to find a link directly in the wallet. You'll not find some account on social media that you've never heard of giving you a link. It won't be a text message.
So if it does happen, what is going to happen for the MetaMask airdrop? It is very clear. Over here, one of these voices will be claim your MetaMask wallet if there are, or if there will ever be anyone. So you will find it over here as a pop-up interaction of the wallet. It will not be, an airdrop page or me. I will bring it to you, but you're not gonna find it from my page. You will find it right here. So when you notice claim the airdrop, then here potentially we could see the airdrop. Now, time frame that we are talking about, I do believe we are talking about a year-long time frame. Like, he does say that maybe there will be, so potentially it could be in the works. It's just extremely complicated, in my opinion, to understand how an airdrop of the size of the MetaMask wallet itself, with all the users, basically everybody in crypto has MetaMask. How do you give the airdrop out? Like, do you go based on transactions? more than 100 transaction, more than 1,000 transaction to not be a bot? What are the criteria? You have to go and bail out so many bots. So will people that have less than 100 transactions not receive it because they could be bot or insignificant for them? Who knows? We will take you the update, of course, on the channel. Next up, we also have the LayerEdge leaked key information from CoinMarketCap. They just announced the CoinMarketCap link, which you can go and find online or simply go over to Twitter. But if you go to the token unlock tab, you will see major leaked info. As we see over here, the public information is that the token is called EDGAN, the total supply will be 1 billion, and the community will receive 460 million, so about 46%. The first unlock seems to be happening in 5 days on June the 2nd. So the token generation event will happen on the 2nd of June. If you go to Cliff Unlock details, you will see that 29% will happen at TGE, 24% will go to the community rounds 5%, and also the community sales will happen. So are we going to be eligible for it? I think I'm not going to be eligible for it. We did work on it, but I do not think we will be eligible for it. Unfortunately, it is. Let's go and see anyway. Let's go and wait. This was tweeted out by the LayerEdge Foundation itself, by the way. And just go to the token unlocks and you will find all the information directly on CoinMarketCap that you need for this token, which is where all of this information come out. If you go over here, this is the LayerEdge news, token unlocks. And here is all of the things. The community, 41% pre-seed, core contributor, foundations, all of the important information. Then you can scroll down. Unlock events on June 2nd, the max supply 29%, which means the token community event. As we see here, community and community round, which means the token generation event will happen on June the 2nd. Next up, make sure to go and claim your software. Even if you didn't utilize, even if you didn't do anything with it, I was eligible for 1,400 token penny, but because I use ZK Sync, I do swaps and I'm a user of the ZK Sync ecosystem. I do it on when we do on jumpers and all of that, then this is why I was eligible. So make sure to go and check it. Make sure to go and give it a look because you could be eligible even if you think you're not. And I thought I was not, and I got a few tokens as well. But of course you can go and short it. I believe GRVT and Kint already has it. Yeah, so here we do, as we said, we do have the trades open. Let's go and see how they go. By the way, over on ZoomX, as I mentioned already, this is a demo account. These funds are not real. It's just a practice demo account. So just so you know, but if you want to come and join, make sure to join me over on ZoomX. The link will be down below.